ka State Executive Committee jong ka BJP Meghalaya kala petho bhai ka jingsha pandit ki nong tre jong ni ka Seng sign perthai haki pulit ka jala uba Ernest Mauri President jong ka BJP ulong bah ka sngi ba ar ki pulit ki Dkhot Hajir General Secretary ka Tura District bar ki wei ki Dkhot batlabat yaki hadu on riu kenta haka jong ka por ulong ru ka Seng kat Pynlong na ka chia khi ban Pyrshah ekani ka jingle ki pulit yaki nong tre jong ka Seng.
The meeting today present by all the representatives from the Jaintia Hills, from the Riboy district, from the East Khas Hills, and from the Shillong city. After we received the letter from the Tura city district, yesterday it has taken place that the OC of Tura, he called one of our party caricatures and the General Secretary of the Tura city to police station for taking some statement. So we received a complaint that they have obtained him almost 6 hours. And subsequently, they are on the way to call all the party workers and caricatures for different statement which it is not known to us for what cause and for what reason. So today we have briefed this situation taken place in Tura with our caricatures, our office bearer in the district. So we have decided to arrange one peace protest in Shillong and Tura, and we will ask the permission from the district administration. And I think within a day, 1 or 2 days, will give you the information, and this program will demand this protest here in Shillong city as well as in Tura city.